We just really promote, no, yung of course good service always, no. We give that always to the best that we can, no, to our visitors. So it's really, that hospitality that we offer to everyone, create good impression, so that, for example, through these golf packages, when they come here, especially for the first timers, no, that it's really very important to create good impression, and so that in the future, if they have hindi naman golf but probably a family vacation or for whatever, no, like a meeting or conference, Davao can already be considered as a list of places to go to nila and to come back when we give them that quality service, of course. So, yun ang gusto natin i-promote